Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'll be demonstrating how to get the duration of any media file in Bubble. Okay, I was working on an app recently, and one of the requirements is that the users upload videos not longer than X seconds, right? If the video is longer than that, it gets deleted and they get a notification that, hey, your video is longer than this X seconds. And when the video is less than or equal to that particular second specified on the app, they are able to go through to the next phase of the onboarding. So what I did was to create a really simple plugin to do that, and I'll be demonstrating that in this video. So quickly head to plugin and install this plugin. Okay, retrieve media duration. Okay, make sure by N this one, and then let's just head back to the design tab. So what I have here is just a UI, okay, of a file uploader saying, hey, not more than 5 seconds. Okay, so don't upload a video more than 5 seconds. And I have a file uploader here, okay, that just takes several file extensions, several media file extensions. And I have a button here that says submit intro video. Okay, so what I want to do is, when the video is less than 5 seconds or equal to 5 seconds, I want them to get a notification that says video okay. Okay, and when it is longer than that, I want them to get a notification that says too long. Okay, so let's just do that. So make sure you find the plugin elements. Okay, it's called duration retriever. So when you install this plugin, some of the things you get is an element called duration retriever. Event duration retriever is retrieved, that means the operation is completed, and a workflow action, okay, get a duration retriever. All right, that being said, let's get back to the design tab and look for this duration retriever and just drop it anywhere on your page, and make sure it's visible on page load. Okay, this is it here. Make sure it's always visible on page load, and it just receives one input, which is the file URL. Okay, so here I'll just be referring to their particular file URL. Okay, so I'll be referring to this file uploader because that's where the users will be uploading their files. So insert dynamic data file uploader value. Okay, I have the file uploader value here, and then I want an action that says, that just runs the action of the plugin. Okay, so add new workflow. I just find get a duration retriever. Okay, get a duration retriever. After that, I want to set up a notification here to listen for the completion of this action. I'm just going to go to element, a duration retriever. Duration is retrieved. Okay, and just choose the element because I just have one, so it has been chosen by default, and I just want to show those notifications. Okay, by the way, I've installed those notifications by Minimum Studio just to show the notifications. Okay, so just going to say notify the notifier. Okay, and the first condition is when this duration retriever duration is less than or equal to, or even before that, I would add the floor operator, so it does not take note of the decimal numbers, okay, just the whole number, the seconds in whole number. So the duration retriever's floor is less than or equal to 5 seconds. Okay, I want to show you a notification that says success. Okay, so, and I'm just going to be duplicating this for the opposite action. So copy, paste, and this will be an error notification, and we say too long. Okay, and the condition will be this duration of class, adding the floor operation. If it is greater than 5 seconds, then I want to show an error message. Okay, and this could be any action. You could use this for any action. Okay, so I'm going to go back to my app now and just run it. I'm going to preview this. Okay, so I'm just going to upload a video that is greater than 5 seconds. Okay, so there is a demo video here that is 7 seconds. Okay, I'm going to upload that. Okay, and click on submit intro video. Okay, see, it says too long. Right, so I'm going to upload a video that is 5 seconds. Okay, I'm just going to wait for that to load and then submit. Okay, and guys, it says success because the video is 5 seconds or less. Okay guys, so that's how to get the duration of any media file in Bubble. If you found this video valuable, don't hesitate to like and subscribe. I have more videos like this coming your way. See you in the next one.